Who not very smart? I test your mind. You will know the answer at the end of this video. Exam number 2. Find the number 96. This can't be happening. You have to find it. If you got the first 2 questions right, double tap the screen to log in. Exam number 3. Only one person. People solve this question, hold down comment button and pick unique emoji. If you pick called emoji, you are out. Do you know when you follow me, my profile pictures start dancing? What is the app that shows you when you click on share and then click on more? If there is a Snapchat app, you are out. The last and final question, 99% of people have not been able to answer it yet, is what number is visible in this picture? What number is it to leave your answer in the comments? The first question is also answered is B. Tell me what you thought.